Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kanchan from Vivo. Did you know cough is a friend of ours? Our body tries to speak to us by giving us different signs and signals. One among them is cough. So, why do we cough? The answer is simple: to remove harmful particles from our throat and respiratory tract. Most of us have taken cough syrups for our cough, but we usually prefer taking them only at night. And most of us don't feel like taking cough syrups when we are at office, college, school or anywhere outside because it may make you feel too drowsy. So, is there a solution? Can cough syrups not be drowsy? Yes, there is a cough syrup which is non-drowsy. So, I am talking about Breathofy syrup. This is a syrup which can be used for all type of coughs, and the best part is it is non-drowsy. Whenever we used to get cough in our childhood, our grandmoms used to give us and we would get instant relief from cough. So, actually honey is a cough suppressant. Many studies have suggested that honey can effectively reduce cough. In fact, honey can be a better option to reduce cough compared to most of the cough syrups containing dextromethorphan, which we commonly use in dry cough syrups. Breathofy syrup contains 40% honey, which is maximum among most leading cough syrup brands of India. Along with honey, Breathofy syrup also contains 14 Ayurvedic ingredients like tulsi, ashwagandha, adulsa, ginger, mulethi and many other. Adulsa, also known as Vasa, it shows promising results in managing conditions like bronchitis. It helps to reduce cough, inflammation and infection in the respiratory tract. Mulethi, the sweet roots of mulethi are known for a soothing property on throat. Many studies have proven mulethi to reduce the severity and frequency of sore throat. The antioxidant, immune building, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of mulethi, it can effectively manage respiratory problems like sinusitis, asthma, bronchitis, sore throat and cough. All the ingredients of Breathofy syrup show various medicinal properties like anti-allergic, anti-inflammatory, immune building, antioxidant and many more. To know more about the effects of each ingredient, you can click the link given in the description. So let's see what are the uses of Breathofy syrup, or you can say who all can take Breathofy syrup. So Breathofy syrup can be taken when you have sore throat, cough, let it be a dry cough or a wet cough, whooping cough, cold, seasonal allergies, inflammatory conditions like bronchitis, asthma, sinusitis, tonsillitis and pharyngitis. To improve body's immunity against various allergens and pollutants, to improve lung health of smokers and people who are exposed to polluted air. So now let's see how much dose of this syrup should you take. For acute problems like sore throat and cough, please read the label for recommended dosage and take the required dose based on your age. For chronic or long-term problems and to improve your lung health, take So next time a cough, irritation or inflammation in a respiratory tract is troubling you with your daytime activities or nighttime sleep, you can take Breathofy syrup. To watch more such interesting videos, stay tuned and click here.